A state of emergency exists within western Kentucky. As for reasons yet unknown, the sun has not yet risen across several Kentucky counties, affecting population centers including Paducah, Calvert City, Eddyville, Mayfield, and Murray. In addition, thick fog is present across numerous locations, further reducing visibility. Numerous traffic accidents have already been reported in the affected areas, likely due to the ongoing situation making road travel hazardous. Until the situation is resolved, all residents within the westernmost Kentucky counties are advised to remain indoors and not venture outdoors unless necessary. Further possible effects could occur in the areas affected, and emergency management is attempting to mitigate the crisis as much as possible. Further information will be broadcast when it becomes available.